Get out. Really, get out.
No.
Well, guess I won't get in my brother's car. Okay, trying to find a quiet spot to say an intro and outro. You know what? Is there a lock on this thing? Okay, I'm gonna do my intro and outro in this truck. Oh, there he goes, on inside. Yep, he gave up. Alright, welcome back to another video. I finally made it into a semi-quiet car away from my brother to film this intro. So, tournament video. Fished a tournament the other day. It was pretty far away from my house. The lake's about over 2 hours away, but it was well worth the drive because we're going to some nice fish, which you'll see here in a minute. Just like all my videos, I filmed just with that GoPro on my chest, and I want to share with you guys the footage of that tournament. It was an individual tournament, so just me competing against everybody else. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys that tournament video, so enjoy it. Oh, he's back. He's got the keys. Yep. First cast, the shaky hit.
What is it?
11 and a half. They're not hitting it very hard at all, they just pick it up. I can barely feel the...
You need a net?
Sure.
So that extends as you want to extend.
It's a 14-incher, I think. Thanks.
I'm like, you caught a 3, I caught like a 3.5, and this dad caught like a 5. Right? Yeah. That's a giant.
Why not?
Good one.
I think it might be a keeper.
Like 5, 6 inches, I bet. Is it?
Yeah, I think it's small.
Partner.
I only have a 6-pound leader on here.
Oh, wow.
I don't want to boat flip anything.
He's dark.
I think that's 12.
That's 12. I wouldn't even measure that one. That's definitely 12.
You sure?
Try it. I bet it's 12 and a half. Look out of there. It's out of there. That's all I need. It's out of there. I don't know how it's
Net for this one.
That's a better one.
Yeah.
Mail that in for me. I'll put it for you.
That's a good one.
What do you have on there?
Ned rig.
Oh, what do you have on? Shark?
It might be a
Definitely a
snook.
small, though.
I think it's a snook here.
Freshwater snook?
Yeah.
I think it cut a 5-pounder. How big did you do it? Oh, you guys actually, is this a team tournament today too?
No.
Yeah.
We're individual, but he's in a different group
Oh, he's a
than me.
nice one. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. What is it? Largy.
It's probably a 3-pounder, I think.
There you go.
Yeah, 2-pounder, 2 1/4. It's good fish for here, I guess.
You must have a limit.
Yeah, one more for me.
Or out of the boat. I don't know if I'm in the boat stuff. It was really good fish for you, man.
Yep. Pound and a half. There's my limit. Not a big limit, but it's a start. That one. I think it's a pickerel though. There we go. That's small. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, net.
You said that too. It's like the one that comes out comes like 6 feet.
Ready? Oh, it's not that big. I think it'll call out my 13-incher though.
Definitely. That one's heavier.
Okay.
You got it.
No, in the boat. In the boat. All the way in the boat.
Better be if I let drag it. My drag isn't loose either. If he's not, then he's please be a keeper. I hate pickerel.
Yep. Ready on this cast right here. I'm about to catch another keeper, okay? You hear me?
What? I don't know, you're probably better than him.
Net. Net. What did I say? What did I say?
I said net.
No, I know, but I was gonna catch a keeper on this cast. Yes, let's go. Don't fall.
That's a mess.
The bait just came out.
One of the kids just put up a nice smallie.
What? I just said it. I just said I was gonna catch a keeper on this cast.
Yeah, when I have time.
Get rid of that 13-incher.
I know what it's gonna do. Why?
No. At least they're alive and healthy. There goes my GoPro. I really can't do this. This one I think is... That one's beat up. That took long enough.
Big fish? And what do you have?
2 largemouth, 2 smallmouth.
265. 781. 781.
Okay, well now that my brother has gone inside, I'm here on the boat. Hopefully you liked the video. I ended up getting, I don't even remember, I think it was 5th place. 5th place with 7.81 pounds for a 4 fish limit. Fishing was pretty awful. After the first hour, you could barely catch fish. So if you live up north, or anywhere really, and it's summertime, be sure to get out there 5, 6 in the morning, catch some fish, because that's the time to do it. Bait I was using is a shaky head. I'll actually show that to you guys right now. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and end this video. Hopefully you liked it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe. And also leave a like on this video. And I'll see you on the next video, which is also another tournament video. Yes, tournament videos have been repeated on this channel for a while now. But after this next tournament video, I have a really exciting kayak fishing video to share with you guys. So that's it. Have a good night. Goodbye.